Right, we're coming down into the traffic lights here to turn right. To sight. The edge of it here, some diggers and machines. Little toilet there. This is another one next to our one. Scaffolding and that. Side, little one. This is the one I'll be working on today over here. It's quite a big site. It's not too big. I'd say it's about small to medium sized, but it's a nice, good residential, medium sized residential size, medium. It's still early in the morning, so